wow, you can get free flights? Yeah, I thought so. One of the ways where I get free and nearly free flights all the time is by using travel credit cards. And one of the most frequently asked questions I get as a travel blogger is, what are the best travel credit cards for beginners? So that is exactly what I'm answering today. In this video, you will learn the best possible travel credit card for you, no matter what your travel goals are, what your budget for an annual fee is, whether you want free flights or free hotel stays or free airport lounge access. Here are the best travel credit cards for beginners. Before we begin though, I want to give a quick disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, nor am I claiming to be, and that you should always consult with your personal financial advisor who knows your personal finance circumstances before making any major financial decisions. Now let's get into it with number one, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. My top recommendation overall for travel credit cards for beginners is always the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The annual fee is only $95 per year, which is a much easier pill to swallow for beginners than some of the other travel credit cards on the market. Plus, this annual fee pays itself off tenfold if you use the card benefits. Plus, Chase Ultimate Rewards points are extremely valuable in the points and miles world, transferring to a wide variety of airline and hotel partners, including Hyatt. And travel hackers like me love Hyatt points redemptions for reasons that I will explain later when we talk a little bit more about Hyatt. My other favorite Chase Sapphire Preferred benefits that I love and that make me want to keep this card open for the foreseeable future are the standard 60,000 bonus point welcome offer when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. And often this card does have an elevated offer offering even more bonus points, so definitely check that out. A $50 annual hotel credit, 3x on dining purchases, and 3x on grocery purchases. This includes Instacart, which I love. A free Dash Pass membership, a $10 monthly Dash Pass credit for non-restaurant orders. My husband and I usually go get a fun treat every month from a local gas station with this $10 credit. It transfers to Hyatt, like I said earlier, for low point luxury hotel stays, a 10% anniversary point boost, and some of the best travel and car rental insurance that you can get with a travel credit card. So that is my best recommendation for travel credit cards for beginners overall. But now let's get into some of the other options, like the cards that offer the best airport lounge access, the best premium card, the best no annual fee card, all those good things. Right now, in my opinion, the best premium travel credit card on the market is the Capital One Venture X. If you have a little bit of extra money up front to spend on an annual fee to get some even better benefits, the Capital One Venture X is a great option because it does have a low annual fee compared to its other premium travel credit card peers. The annual fee right now is $395 per year, and like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, those annual fees pay off tenfold if you take advantage of the card benefits. And these card benefits include airport lounge access that the Chase Sapphire Preferred does not offer, annual travel credits, and more. Aside from the benefits, I've been a Capital One Venture credit card holder for years now, and I have to say that the Capital One customer service is some of the best credit card customer service that I've ever had to talk to. So that's another perk. My favorite Capital One Venture X benefits that also make me want to keep this card open long term include a 75,000 bonus point welcome offer when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, $10,000 anniversary points annually, a $300 annual travel credit that you get every year. I love using this for rental cars, a $120 credit for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. I recommend doing Global Entry because that also includes TSA PreCheck, complimentary airport lounge access to all Capital One lounges, unlimited access to Priority Pass lounges, 2 points per dollar minimum on every single purchase, and again, some of the best travel and rental car insurance that you can get with a travel credit card. Okay, so maybe you're not too keen on annual fees. What is the best travel credit card with no annual fee? You may consider opening the Chase Freedom Flex card, which has no annual fee. And although it is traditionally a cashback card, it can also earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points that are redeemable for travel. The welcome offer right now is $200 cash back after you spend $500 in the first 3 months, which equates to 20,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points that can be redeemed for travel. Between Between this easy minimum spend to hit and the no annual fee, this card is a no-brainer to earn lots of points quickly. In addition, this card also offers bonus spending categories like at gas stations and grocery stores, 5% back on travel booked through the Chase travel portal, 3% back on dining purchases, and more. On the other hand, if you want to live lavishly and experience airport lounges like the rich and famous, then you may want to open the best travel credit card for lounge access, which is the Amex Platinum card. While many travel credit cards offer limited lounge access like the Capital One Venture X that we talked about earlier, the Amex Platinum card takes the cake for best lounge access. With this card, you get access to the Global Lounge Collection, including coveted Centurion lounges. Additionally, there's an impressive welcome offer. You will get 80,000 membership rewards points after you spend $8,000 in the first 6 months, a $200 annual hotel credit, a $240 digital entertainment credit, a monthly Walmart Plus credit, a $200 airline fee credit, a $15 Uber Cash credit every month, a yearly Clear Plus membership credit, $100 in annual Saks Fifth Avenue credits, and more. Clearly, there are a ton of benefits here, so what's the catch? Unfortunately, this annual fee is a hefty $695 per year at the time I'm posting this video, and there are unfortunately rumors that this annual fee is going up soon. But if you want that airport lounge access, this might be the card for you still. Next, what is the best travel credit card for airline miles? In my opinion, it is the United Mileage Plus Explorer, but this is a little bit tricky. In the points and miles world, airline credit cards make sense for those of you who want to stay loyal to a particular airline and are looking to gain status within that airline. But the honest downside to airline credit cards is that their points are not flexible. You have to use those points with that airline usually. So unlike travel credit cards from banks where their points are more flexible, you can choose which airline you want to use those points with, airline credit card points are typically only for that airline. They're not as flexible. So it's kind of hard for me to give a definite answer for which airline credit card is best, because you might not be loyal to United. You might not be located by a United hub and never fly United. So then of course the United card wouldn't be smart for you. But the reason I chose this card, it does have one of the better welcome offers among all of the airline travel credit cards at 80,000 bonus United miles and no annual fee for the first year. Plus you get 2 United Club Lounge passes per year, priority boarding, and a free check bag. Now for hotels, what is the best travel credit card for hotel points? My top choice for hotels is the World of Hyatt credit card. Similar to airline credit cards, you may want to opt for a different hotel card if you're looking to gain status with a particular hotel chain. If you're loyal to one singular hotel chain, you may not want to choose the Hyatt card. But here's why I pick Hyatt in particular. Like I said earlier, Chase Ultimate Rewards points can be transferred to Hyatt at a 1-to-1 ratio, and Hyatt has the lowest points redemption costs compared to other hotels, which means you will spend less points for a more luxurious stay and get better bang for your buck. Not only will the World of Hyatt credit card get you a welcome offer of 60,000 bonus points, which is enough for an entire free week at some Hyatt hotels, but you will also get complimentary Hyatt Discover status and free nights that can count towards your Hyatt Globalist status. Both of these statuses have amazing perks if you're a Hyatt loyalist, like many travel hackers in the points and miles world are. Next, what is the best business travel credit card? The best travel credit cards for beginners looking for a business credit card are the Chase Inc. business cards. If you haven't gotten the hint already, Chase Ultimate Rewards points are extremely valuable. However, Chase has an unwritten rule called the Chase 524 rule, which suggests that you cannot open any Chase credit cards if you have opened 5 credit cards in the past 24 months. However, this doesn't include business credit cards. So when you combine your Chase Sapphire travel card with the Chase Inc. cards, which don't count towards that Chase 524, then you can earn literally hundreds of thousands of Chase Ultimate Rewards points that you can redeem for travel. Some of these Chase Inc. business cards have no annual fee or low annual fees, and their bonuses range from like 75,000 bonus points to 100,000 bonus points. And even though these points are labeled as cash back, if you have a Chase Sapphire card, you can use those cash back points for travel. And this also gives you a much better bang for your buck as opposed to just accepting the cash back, because 100,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points can easily get you a week in a Hyatt resort, which is much more valuable than the $1,000 you'll get cash back for that same bonus. And lastly, my honorable mention for the best travel credit cards for beginners is the Capital One Venture card. Not to be confused with the Capital One Venture X, the Capital One Venture is very similar, but is a lower annual fee at $95 per year. While the premium version, the Capital One Venture X, is still on top for me because of the annual travel credits that you get, because of the airport lounge access that you get, because of the rental car insurance that you get. The Capital One Venture is a fantastic option for people who don't want to pay an excessive annual fee and still want to get points and miles that are flexible and super easy to earn. Like its premium version, the Capital One Venture also earns 2x per dollar spent, which means even though you won't have to pay the exorbitant annual fee like the Capital One Venture X, you can still get double the points and miles as you would compared to some other travel credit cards without having to be like, oh, which card do I use for dining out again? Oh, which card should I use for groceries? All those questions that a lot of us points and miles gurus do. You don't have to worry about that because you're still getting a good points per dollar value without having to think that much. It's a very easy, mindless way to earn Capital One points to then redeem for flights, hotel stays, etc. Plus, you'll get 75,000 valuable bonus points when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. And that is it. Those are the best travel credit cards for beginners, in my opinion. If you still are unsure about which card that you should be open and which card is best for you, I do have a free downloadable quiz that you can take to help you decide, just another resource to help you decide. I will link that in the description. I'll also put it in this QR code for easy access. I love talking about points and miles, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future budget travel, points and miles tips, and destination guides here. Other than that, I will see you in next week's video. So for now, ciao.